'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around. Hi guys, so I'm in the car. The car's all packed. We're gonna be on our way to go to Michigan. Oh my god, what is that? What is this? And we are bringing the dogs because it's gonna be like a road trip-esque thing. Yeah, so our plan is we're gonna drive to Ohio, and then Friday we're gonna drive like a couple more hours and then just like spend the day in Ann Arbor. My move-in day is Saturday, like lunchtime. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need, and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you. So
We just got to our Airbnb in Ohio after like a 9-hour drive. I think it was 9 or 8 actually. And change of plans. I'm not moving on Saturday. I'm moving on Friday, so tomorrow night. And I've rescheduled that. Then on Saturday, I'm just gonna walk around campus, just like hang out with my family. And then Sunday, I have like meetings to attend. So we're moving it tomorrow.
more of this another year. All these ramblings in my head. More fake friends say in my ear. All this dumb shit that you said. I thought I'd heard the end of that. I thought that we were more grown up than this, but I guess it's hard. You're still there and now your dirty laundry is to telling your friends all about me. Guess I'll be the bad guy in your story, 'cause someone's gotta be. Yeah, someone's gotta be.
So I'm officially all moved in. Well, not all moved in because my stuff is still like everywhere. But I have to clean all this crap up and then make my room look really nice. My parents already left because it's like 9 right now. So I'm just doing that. Yeah, I didn't film it like us like pushing the carts and stuff because it was like really hectic. Don't mind the mess there. And like low-key my room is like it's literally the size that I imagined, except like the light is so dim. Like that is the only light they gave me. Yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna go fix my room. Yeah. So I finally finished decorating my dorm room, and it's been a couple days since class started, but things have finally settled down a little bit. There was like a Wi-Fi fiasco. Like apparently some people hacked into Michigan, and then like they just shut the internet down for like 2 days to resolve it, and that was like death. But here's my room tour. So this is the mirror. Yep. And then I put the leaves up here, and then down here is like the shoe rack, and this is the door, by the way. And I live in North Quad this year in a single because I joined like a learning community, so This is my single. I put the lights up. Oh, and I'm still trying to figure out this mirror situation. Like right now I've just been like angling this right here, but like low-key should be here. But this is really messy here, but I don't really care. This is my closet space. All my clothes are in here. And then I have more storage down here, mostly just like blankets and like puffer jackets, food. And then like here's like food and like this like gym shirt, gym stuff. And then here is my desk. It's really messy. I have my like lab goggles because I just had lab. And then my laundry's right there. This is my second chair they gave me. I don't know why. Here's my bed and my squishmallows. And then I put a poster up and some more leaves. Yeah. And this is my room basically, and the view is really nice. I look right out into the courtyard. Yeah, there we go. And then right here is like the dining hall. So that's that. Yeah, so this is my room, and I'm really happy because it's bigger than the one from last year, and that was a double, and this single is bigger. So yep, that's that. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. You should subscribe.